Dream big, design bigger. At Charlotte Technical College, we're not just teaching digital design. We're launching the next wave of creatives with industry-recognized certifications. Want to produce breathtaking visuals, build brands, and bring animations to life? Whether you're a future graphic designer, digital artist, or multimedia creator, we've got the tools, the tech, and the training to make it happen. Starting with Digital Design 1, your gateway to the world of graphic production. With branding and hands-on projects, it's where raw creativity meets next-level technical skills. Then, level up with Digital Design 2. We're talking industry-level skills, motion graphics, and visual storytelling that set you apart. Add Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects to your inventory as you upgrade your portfolio. Your resume will never look better. Want to push past your limits? Our digital media multimedia design program lets you dive into animation, web design, and interactive media. This isn't just learning, it's a launchpad for your innovative future. With top-tier instructors, hands-on experience, and real-world projects, Charlotte Technical College isn't just a school, it's an innovation nexus. Your future in digital design starts now. Charlotte Technical College, where creativity meets career. Enroll today.